Hello everybody, today I will show you how to create a graph or pie chart. For example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, Monday, what do we do every day? Just say morning, we had 20 staff. Afternoon, we had 10 staff. Evening, we had 5 staff. So let's have different values every time. 7, 12, 20, 55. Just copy and paste this. I'm just making these numbers up, so don't worry about it. Right, okay, now I need to highlight everything together, and all we need to do, you highlight the fields, then you're going to insert and just do a chart, what type of chart you want, and there you go. It gives you the actual morning, afternoon, evening, the ratio, and you can actually change the format of the map, or you can rename by double clicking on it, or you can do a lot of stuff manually. You can just put a daily staffing level. There you go. So this shows that Monday we had very poor response, as in very less staff, Saturday being the highest. So as you can see, thank you for watching. Goodbye.